Welcome to Filmora 60-second, no more in a short time. In this video, we will teach you how to recognize song on iPhone in several ways. Part 1. How to use the inbuilt music recognition on iPhone. In November 2020, Apple released the iOS 14.2 update for their iPads and iPhones. One of the features of this update was that it included built-in music and song recognition button that makes it easier for the user to recognize any song playing around them. You just need to add the iPhone music recognition button to the Control Center menu and simply press that button when you hear a song that you like. You will then get all the information related to that song: title, artist name, and album title. Here is how you add the inbuilt iPhone music recognition button to the Control Center. Open Control Center. Swiping down from the top right corner of the phone and tap the music recognition button. If your iPhone has a home button, then swipe up to get into the Control Center menu and tap the music recognition button. You will see the music recognition notification icon that shows which song is playing. The iPhone will listen for around 10 to 15 seconds once you tap the button and will attempt to identify the song in that time period. This feature can recognize songs playing in your environment even when your headphones are plugged in. Part 2. How to use Siri to identify songs by humming on iPhone. You can also identify a song on your iPhone by using its virtual assistant, Siri. Siri can recognize a song playing in your environment and even the song you are humming. This is how you do it. Step 1. Activate Siri. You can do it two ways. The first is by long pressing the home button or wake sleep button in iPhone, and the second is by the voice command, "Hey Siri." Step 2. Then say, "Hey Siri, which song is this?" This starts Siri's listening mode. Step 3. Hum the tune that you want to be identified, and Siri will return the results after a few seconds. Part 3. Best apps for iPhone music recognition. If your iPhone or iPad is not yet upgraded to iOS version 14.2, then you would have to use third-party apps to identify songs. Following are the two best iPhone music recognition apps that you can use. SoundHound. SoundHound is one of the best iPhone music recognition app out there. It has some of the most useful features regards to song recognition that helps you get a complete music experience. The standout feature of SoundHound is that you can have a song recognized in it by merely humming a short tune. This is very helpful when you don't remember the lyrics of the song, or the song's title, or who sang it. The service is pretty quick, meaning you can have songs and music identified in a matter of seconds. You will get all available details of the concerned song or tune, and what more, you can also sing along to real-time lyrics in the app. It also allows you to stream your playlists from other music apps like Spotify, YouTube, and others. Your song search list is stored so that you don't have to look for a song all over again if you have once searched it on SoundHound. This saves time and keeps your discovered songs organized. Shazam. Shazam is a free iPhone music recognition app. It does the basic task of any music recognition service with near 100% accuracy. It draws up all available information of a song you want identifying from its huge database in a short time. There is also a lyrics feature that displays lyrics in sync with the song being played so that you can sing along with it. What gives Shazam an edge over other apps is its offline usage and pop-up Shazam. You can use Shazam offline. It records the song offline, and later when you go online, it provides all the information about that song. The pop-up Shazam is a unique feature that helps you identify any song that is played in your smartphone. It works with any app and is especially helpful when you're surfing social media and want to know about a song or background music you just came across on it. There is also an auto Shazam feature that works like Now Playing on Pixel devices. This feature works in the background and gives you song info notifications as it recognizes songs in your environment. The only drawback of this feature is that it doesn't work offline. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.